Mountain high and river low, I follow. Take me to the...
Hi guys, I'm Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy recipe video. This video is brought to you in partnership with Noosa Yogurt, and it's for my easy lemon cake muffins.
It's a beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life. Beautiful, beautiful life with you.
Absolutely loved making these muffins. They had a really good crunchy and fluffy texture and tasted absolutely delicious. That's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to hit subscribe and the like button and follow me on Instagram at CaseandChef. And if you decide to try this recipe for yourself, please hashtag Noosa Yogurt and CaseandChef. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mountain on a river low, I follow.